This is a C-clamp vice grip, while this is a straight jaw vice grip. So let's go through the parts of a vice grip. So a vice grip has a fixed jaw and a fixed handle, a movable jaw and a movable handle. And then it has a release lever whose work is to release the jaw. And then it has a connecting rod right in the middle. And then it has an adjusting bolt whose work is to tighten or loosen the jaws. Also, more important, it has a spring. And we'll also go through the same parts in the straight jaw vice grip. That's the fixed jaw and handle. And that's the connecting rod. That's the movable jaw and handle. And that's the release lever. And that's the adjusting bolt, whose work again is to adjust the jaws. And then right in there, we have the spring. First, we are going to learn how to use the C-clamp. The C-clamp is perfect for clamping flat surfaces, like that chipboard that I'm clamping onto the table. So what you want to do first with your C-clamp is that you want to increase the size of the jaw to match the size of the objects that you are clamping. And once you achieve that, now what you want to do is, still using the adjusting bolt, you want to slightly tighten it so that it slightly grips the two objects. And then use the release lever, and then you're going to tighten again. And now you can clamp the two objects shut and perfect. And that's how you use the C-clamp vice grip. Next, I'm going to be demonstrating how you can use a straight jaw vice grip to clamp the two surfaces together. The first step again is increase the size of the jaw to match the depth of the objects that you're clamping. And once you've achieved that, you want again to slightly tighten the adjusting bolt just to grip it a little bit, use the lever, and then tighten again. And what remains now is to clamp the two surfaces together. And just some extra tips on how you can use these vice grips. Let's say you want to clamp something that you'll be clamping it not at the edge of the table, but somewhere inside the table. So in this case, the best clamp to use is the C-clamp, because the C-clamp has more space to go into the table, underneath the table, and also on top of the table, and clamp something that is somewhere in between your working area. So in this case, we are clamping this metal rod onto the table. So again, you repeat the same process. You increase the size of the jaw, and then you slightly tighten, use the release lever, and then tighten again, and then you clamp it shut. I mostly use this when I'm welding, because sometimes you want to clamp something that is not at the edge of the table, but a little bit more further away from the edge. And again, I'm going to demonstrate how you can use the straight jaw to clamp this metal rod. Actually, the straight jaw is perfect for clamping metal rods. That is actually the speciality of this type of vice grip. So use the same process. In this case, it's the other way around. You reduce the size of the jaws up to it fits, and then you're going to slightly tighten it, and then use the release lever, and then you tighten once again, and what remains is just to finally clamp it down. So my hope is that you learned something today about using vice grips. These are just 2 vice grips out of a possible 10 different vice grips. We have different shapes, different sizes of vice grips. So there is a lot more to learn about vice grips. Let me know in the comment section below which other design of vice grip you would want me to do a demonstration about. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.